Cylindrical drip irrigation pipe production line. Automatic solution for round drip pipe manufacturing. High precision extrusion system. Stable pipe forming and continuous production. Online punching system. Uniform water outlets for efficient irrigation. Complete drip pipe production process. Extrusion, inserting, punching, winding. Reliable drip irrigation pipe machine for manufacturers. Complete solution for drip irrigation pipe manufacturers. Need a drip irrigation pipe making machine? Contact us for production line details.